Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will presenting about Python programming, and this is my second project. In my project, this is about phone store or mobile phone store. So before I start this presentation, let me introduce myself before. My name is Muhammad Habibi. You can call me Habibi. Okay, because we don't have a long time today, I will presenting now. Okay, this is my project. In my project, I'm using a method or paradigm OOP. OOP is object-oriented programming, and in OOP, I'm using a three method: inheritance, abstract class, and polymory or overloading. And I will show you the class inheritance. The class inheritance is be like this. For the example, what is the inheritance? Inheritance is the example. If I have a class, the first class or object class, and have so many attributes. This is an attribute, a type, mark, and product, RAM, ROM, and the others. So, and I want to create the other class, but I don't want create the attribute again. I don't want create this attribute because this is so many. If I want create, so because this is so very not simple. If I want create, so I'm using the method inheritance. For what? If I have the other class for like this, I have class F9 and class A5. In class A5 and F9 have a same attribute, be like class K3. So this is an inheritance method, and I will show you again polymory or overloading. In overloading, honestly, this is be like I have one class, but I can using a two method, two or the others. Maybe you want using a 3-4 method, but you can using two and the others method. Be like me, I'm using a two method in my class voucher. I have a price and I have the others. So for the example, I have the voucher 100,000 rupiahs and the price is 3 million. So I want the reduction, so I'm using a class overloading. So I have a two method in here, and continue. Okay, I have a function delay time or time sleep. So if this display, alright, your order is processed, wait a minute, this will be delayed 3 seconds. And then this is a class default, and then this is abstract class, and the last is abstract class. What is the abstract class? Abstract class is I have a one class, but in my first class cannot implementation. So what should I do? So I will create another class or the second class for what? For implementation by the first class. Why the first class cannot implementation? Because I'm using abstract method in here. So in class abstract method, I'm using an inheritance because in class, in the second class, this have in class thanks. So this is a method inheritance. It's same, but we back the abstract method. Honestly, in Python, do not have abstract method, so I'm using import ABC. Maybe you want uh, maybe you have question what is the ABC. ABC is a module by the abstract method. ABC is abstract based classes. So I'm using from ABC import ABC. ABC is a model in Python for using abstract method. So if you want create abstract method, you must from ABC import ABC abstract method. This is a model abstract method. I'm learned from internet, and maybe just like that. Thank you very much and keep watching.
My name is Timothy Deniato Teopuring from Group A of 2 CCA. Now I would like to explain our flowchart for this project. So this is our flowchart. Now I would like to explain this flowchart from the beginning. So every time our program gets executed, the program will output a welcome sign, and then it will ask for the user's name. So let's say that I'm using this program, I would like to put my name there, like I'm gonna type Timothy, and then the program will output hi Timothy. Press 1 for home product, press 2 for customer service. So if the user press 1, the program will display the product. If the user types 2, the program will display the customer service contacts. So let's say that the user pick 1 or press 1. So it will display the product, right? And then there's 3 products in this program. The first product is K3, F9 and F5. So let's say the user picked the K3 product. So the program will tell the user that the user have picked K3 as its picks K3. And then if the user wishes to continue to payment, it will continue the payment, but if not, it will go back to displaying the product. Now let's say that the customer or the user wish to continue. It will ask for the method that the payment method that the user desire. So there's 2 payment methods. There's transfer and cash on delivery. If the user pick cash on delivery, the program will ask to input the user's data and then say that the receipt has sent on email. Now if the user pick transfer, it's actually the same, just ask for the name, but at the end the program will output the store's reckoning number and then display the receipt as sent on email. Now if the user wishes to continue, it will go and display again the product here. Now if it's not, they're gonna just go and display the thank you word and then automatically stop the program from running. Now what if the user pick other product such as F9 and F5? It's basically the same still, asking the method, telling that the user take this product and so on, and still the same until if the user wish to do it again. Now if the program pick 2, for example I pick 2, the program will display the customer service contact, and then if the user wish to do it again or come back to the main menu, the user just need to type Y, and then the program will ask program will output the name again. Is for example my name, hi Timothy, pick 1 for home and 2 for customer service. And then if the user doesn't want to continue and then just want to stop it, the user just need to type N, and then it will automatically stop the program.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Andi Ahmad Raihan Aqiilah from 2CCA. Today I'm from Group 8, want to show about the display of Oppo official store, whereas we use this title for project 2. So today I will talking about the display of Oppo official store using Python program. So let's start begin. So we just run the project. We just click run, and then the project will show up the title of project, where is Oppo official store, and then the project will know what is your name. So I will type my name, right, and then the project will show up the your name, to follow the next step. So we can see in this step there are two steps. The first one is home product, or we can just buying a smartphone, and two is customer service if we want to call customer service. And then I will try typing number one, and then click enter. There are three type of product Oppo. There are type K3, type F9, and then type A5. So I will type A5 for example, and then uh, the project will show up lanjutkan pembayaran. Yes, and then the project will show up pesanan Anda sedang kami proses, harap bersabar. And then we choose the pembayaran. I will choose COD or cash on delivery. And then the project will show up, harap bersabar, Anda akan dialihkan ke pembayaran cash on delivery. And then if we want to buy some smartphone, we will fill the address, name, number phone, and email for easy to send our smartphone. So I will fill first. My name is Rai. Email Raihan at gmail.com. Jalan kode pos 19998, kota Depok, kecamatan Beji. And then if we finally fill the biodata, and the project will show up the text harap menunggu karena data Anda sedang kami simpan. And then if the data is finally saved, the project will show up data Anda telah kami simpan, silahkan tunggu barang Anda di rumah. Pesanan Anda akan kami proses, nantikan resinya melalui email Anda, yaitu raihan@gmail.com. And then in the last, if we want to see another product of Oppo, we can just type yes for back to the another product, or we can type the N for uh, exit this program. Then I will exit. Okay, if we exit from this program, the program will say jangan lupa berkunjung lagi ya Kak. Terima kasih sudah berkunjung di sini. That's it from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.